Hey guys, welcome back. It's Jen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my lemon cake. I have a couple different lemon cake recipes. One of them's a really strong lemon because I love lemon. But this lemon cake recipe is the one that's not so powerful so that it can be paired with a really strong buttercream. I have a really yummy sweet and sour lemon buttercream that's super powerful flavor. So I like to pair it with this milder lemon cake. Lemon cake is great all year round, but I especially like to make it when it's like lemonade season in the summer. Okay, how bad have I got your mouth salivating watching me zest this lemon? I love zesting lemons. It's one of my favorite smells in the world. This lemon cake recipe is so moist and fluffy and fresh. I can't wait till it's done so I can have some. Here's a list of the tools you're going to need if you want to take a quick screenshot of this. You can also use an electric hand mixer. Alright, let's get mixing. Preheat your oven to 335 degrees and take your butter out to warm to room temperature. If you forget to do this, no worries, just put it in the microwave on defrost, 30 seconds each side. I put the recipe in the video description below if you want to follow along at home. So first we're going to put all of our dry ingredients in the mixing bowl, which includes sugar, cake flour, baking powder, and salt. I like to mix that together a little bit before I add the butter. Now slowly add chunks of your butter on the lowest speed until well combined. It should look like coarse sand. Next, measure out all your liquid ingredients and put them in your liquid measuring cup. This includes your milk, eggs, and vegetable oil. Pour only 1/3 of your liquid mixture into the mixing bowl. Mix this on low until just moistened. Increase your mixing speed to medium and mix until the batter becomes thicker and lighter in color. I usually do this for about 2 minutes, but keep your eye on it. You don't want to overmix it or undermix it. Okay, now scrape your bowl and add the rest of your liquid mixture to the mixing bowl on lowest speed, just so it doesn't splash up at you. Then you can increase to medium speed. Just mix this until well combined, stopping to scrape your bowl halfway through. After you scrape your bowl, this is a good time to add your lemon zest. When you're finished mixing, the batter should be the consistency of yogurt. Okay, time to cake your grease pans. Did I just say cake your grease pans? That's a new one. What I meant to say is time to grease your cake pans. This recipe makes enough for 2 8-inch round cakes. I like greasing my pans with homemade cake, which is a mixture of all-purpose flour, vegetable oil, and vegetable shortening. Then fill your cake pans half full with the batter. Tap the pans to get out the air bubbles and to level out the batter. That lemon zest smelled so good when I poured it into the batter. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, put your pans into the oven. Over baking cakes really dries them out. So if it's first time doing this recipe or the first time doing it in a certain oven, I like to start with 20 minutes and then check if the batter's still jiggly. If it is, add another 10 minutes. After batter stops being jiggly, I start checking in 5-minute intervals with a toothpick, and then when it gets close I check in 2-minute intervals, and the cakes are done when a toothpick comes out with just a few crumbs on it. Alright, these cakes are done. Oh, they look so good. They smell so good. If they're domed up at all, you can just throw a kitchen towel over the top, put on your oven mitts, and just gently push down until they're flat. Let them cool in the cake pan for 10 minutes before flipping them out. And if you want extra assurance that they'll come out, you can take a toothpick and just scrape the outer edge of between the cake and the pan. Okay, and then when you flip those out, let them cool to room temperature. I actually like to freeze my cakes because it makes them even more moist and easier to frost. So after they're cooled to room temperature, you can go ahead and wrap them in plastic wrap and then put them in a Ziploc freezer bag. Make sure it's a freezer bag and put them in the freezer. If you made cakes that are too big for a Ziploc, you can wrap them in plastic wrap and then wrap them in aluminum foil. And these are good in the freezer for up to 2 months. Whatever you do, do not store your cakes in the refrigerator. Refrigerators dry out cakes. If you're liking this video, let me know by clicking the thumbs up button. And if you'd like to learn more recipes, learn how to decorate your cakes and sweets, and all other fun types of baking stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you receive notifications every time I post a new video. Let me know in the comments how your cake turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching and can't wait to see you next time.